my viewers. I am Dr. Archana Mona, consultant gynecologist and cosmetic gynecologist at Dr. Mona Skin and Gynec Center, Mahalakshmi Nagar, Indore. Today I am going to tell you about vaginal tightening by laser. So basically, what are the patients in whom we need vaginal tightening? Vaginal tightening is basically needed in patients with vaginal loosening. Loosening of the vagina can occur after childbirth, after any vaginal surgery, and any other loosening of the vagina can occur after childbirth and with age also, or any other vaginal surgery. What are the problems which the patient accomplish after vaginal loosening? Basically, it's hamper their intimate life. And what are the treatment available? The treatment available are vaginal tightening by two methods. It could be either surgical or it could be either non-surgical. Surgical methods are very tedious, very clumsy, and they hamper with the patient health also. But the non-surgical procedures basically which we do by laser, they are very safe. Patient can go back early within 10 to 15 minutes with no side effects and with no complications. So I am going to tell you about laser vaginal tightening. What do we do in laser vaginal tightening? Basically, it is done by advanced laser, CO2 laser, in which the patient is brought to the clinic. We examine the patient. If there are no vaginal, so laser vaginal tightening is basically done with the advanced CO2 laser. By this laser, we just examine the patient in the OPD. There should be no vaginal discharges, there should be no growth on the cervix should be healthy, vagina should be healthy, there should be no cyst or nothing at contraindication to these laser surgeries. If the patient is healthy and we just take the patient to the table, we just insert the laser probe, which is just as a vaginal probe which is inserted in the vagina. We just rotate the probe, and by its laser beams the vaginal collagen rejuvenation occurs. The collagen is built by the laser and which help in tightening of the vagina. It is a very natural and a normal process with no side effects. The patient gets home by 10 to 15 minutes, she is ready to go back home. And how many times does she have to come to our clinic? Basically, we prescribe only 3 sittings for the laser vaginal tightening. In most of the patient, about 70 to 80% relief is there, and thereafter some sittings are needed after 1 year. Only once a year or twice a year our sittings are needed. It is a very long term effect, and the patient is absolutely healthy. There are no side effects and no complication in this procedure, and the patient can go home and enjoy her life. Thank you so much.